Wow, look at the armor I'm wearing. Today I seem to have arrived at one. No place. Everywhere should. It's all my fault. So let's not be cowardly. As a member of the Special Operations Team, take a look at the weapon in my hand like this. Just a small pistol. I'm a novice after all. Didn't get a particularly good weapon. To fight this monster, it should work. Try it. Wow. Come up and charge at me. Return it quickly. Help! Here are two monsters. What kind of monster is this? How do you look like a gorilla? Hey, no! They're rushing towards my base. Ouch! No more! I got hit twice more and I'm going to melt. It's already a red alert. What should I do? Oops, I think. Help, but now I have more than enough energy. Well, what is this? So many little zombies. Orbital capability. Wow. My teammates are also very good. I now have an orbital capability. What kind of laser can be summoned from the sky? Let's find someone who has no courage to try it. Wow. This is the launch. But I got hurt myself. Oh no. Teammate bitten by zombie. No. Wait me to and lose so much blood. Okay, ouch. Run after a few hits. Oh my god, you still. They're in groups. Don't ask for help. Have the ability to fight one-on-one. More blood. You can see a few of our teammates on the left. Wow. So many zombies are surrounding my teammates. Let's see if anything special can happen to us. Device. Not yet. My special abilities can no longer be used now. The point is, I don't have many bullets left. Hey, I can still get arrested for this little zombie. If you have another great one, I can't help it. It seems that we still need to change our equipment. What about in the warship depot? I discovered that I now have 2 sets of armor. Good brothers. I finally switched to a submachine gun this time. Although, it looks like a relatively ordinary new weapon. But at least it's better than our little pistols. Let's get over there. Well, why are there so many zombies halfway through? Don't be afraid, I'm here to support you. Wow, come on, my technique is different. This frequency is also high. Wait a minute. Open the box. Wow, why is this zombie attack so high? You see, I was slightly. After a few touches, the blood volume is low. Hurry up and use our healing spray. Blood back. Should we want to shoot? Attack these as much as possible. The vital part of the mutated zombie. This way, one can save bullets. The second is to create them in a timely manner. Huge damage. Wow, to gorillas. Don't be afraid, I'll take care of you. Wow. How about this? Oh, this is our battleship capability. Summoned a missile. Then you also have this missile. I lost a certain amount of health myself. I can't get too close there. Well, this is the plot. Wow. I didn't expect their little NI to come to. Well, last name 6. Last name 6. Then replenish our blood volume, okay? Wow, this one is rough-skinned and fleshy. Why is that? Awesome! I placed so many orders. Not hanging up yet. Finally, don't hang up anymore. I'm going to hang up. Okay, then open all the boxes here. Here are our scores. This score can be used in a while. Change a variety of equipment. The hand directly turns into a knife. Oh my god, I seem to be infected. Wow, this zombie will explode. I'm out of blood. I'm going to check if there is any. This epitherapy kit can replenish my blood volume. Eps, it's over. There's no more eggs. No, it's okay. My teammates are still there. Can you help me replenish my ammunition? Okay, here, what is this? I'm really out of ammo. Let's go and see. Can you summon my skills? Gatling gun. Okay, let's go. Prepare. What is this? What did I summon? I summoned a weapons down wall. With this weapon, it's different. It turned out to be a gearbox. I can summon support equipment. But this weapon has a flaw. It's his bullets. It's very limited. Can get more ammo. Let's take a look. Hey, why are there zombies coming again? Change the bullet, don't worry. It can still be resurrected. Okay, then I don't have to worry too much. Everyone seems to have 2 chances of resurrection. I have too many little zombies here. Good pig, I can't let the zombies rush through. Hey, there's a treasure box here. Let's pick it up. Okay. There are still some of our players in the middle. Then I just need to secure the middle area. Don't think about it. This big brother is being chased by zombies. Let me help you. He fell down. No way. Ouch, my bullet. Shoot the zombies here. I'm here to save you. Hold on. Okay, ouch. Oh my god. Oh, what? How can this zombie still? Wow. Good to save people, save people, save people. Get caught in the rain, so I can't show my partner. And then summon one of our weapons. Equip up. Mom, what are you doing driving the train? Let me help you. There are too many enemies, though. There's another tower outside. What's going on? No, it's time. Oh my god, this game has a time limit. If we don't finish it within the stipulated time, even if our mission fails. Enemies in this area. Ha ha ha, we didn't clean it up in time. Well, we lost, but that's okay. Because my equipment is relatively backward, there are a lot of boxes here. We can open it up. The quality of this box is also different. Then I don't make that much money now. Let's open the most ordinary box first. Dang, dang, dang. See what kind of equipment you can get. It should be slightly smaller than my original gun. Better. Equipped, this is at least a 2-star weapon. Slightly better than my previous gun. The phone screen is much higher, right? Well, I guess I've got to keep saving. To buy the latest equipment. Fight against these evil zombies. See you next time. Bye.